Hello bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, I'm ncedanacnazo, and if you're a returning subscriber, show me I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me, and please make sure you press the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video on YouTube. Bestie, so today we're gonna do a simple makeup for beginners. And this is the look that I'm talking about, and I'm gonna show you how I came out with this look. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you like what you see, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's start. So basically today we're gonna do a makeup for beginners, and I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see, I know. And now we're gonna do our eyeshadow. We're just gonna do a simple eyeshadow. I've already put a concealer as my base, and I'm gonna set it up with this banana powder just to set our concealer so that it can stay. I'm gonna be using this brush to put my concealer, and then so bestie, now I'm just making sure my concealer is set. I'm using this banana powder just to set my concealer so that I just want to avoid those lines. You see those lines between your eyes? I just want to avoid that when I'm putting my eyeshadow. Okay, so now we're gonna go with our eyeshadow. We're just gonna do a simple eyeshadow. So basically we're just gonna go with a simple eyeshadow, not something too deep. So I'm gonna take this brown and just put it on. So now basically I'm gonna go with my favorite foundation from Maybelline New York in a shade 331. And basically anytime when I apply my foundation, I love to put it behind my hand. I know this sounds unprofessional, but at the end of the day I have to do a foundation between. So now I'm just applying my foundation, and then I'm gonna use my beauty sponge from Huda Beauty just to apply my foundation on my face. And bestie, just make sure your sponge is damp, okay? Don't use a dry sponge to apply your foundation, because we have to make sure it applies directly to your skin and you look good. First, to just see how my skin looks already. I just love this foundation from Maybelline New York. It does the work correctly, guys. If you've noticed, on my face I've got some dark spots, but immediately when I applied this foundation, they were gone. Bestie, please show me where are the spots, okay? I just love this foundation. Maybelline, honey, you did your best, Lana. I just love you so much. And then I'm gonna use this dark concealer just to contour my face. I love using this concealer to contour my face, between my eyes, contour my nose, my forehead, and then my cheeks. So now bestie, we're gonna use the lighter concealer just to highlight our face. You're gonna see the places that I'm gonna put the concealer to highlight my face. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna use the banana setting powder to set the concealer so that there are no lines shown in my face. Bestie, please make sure good to, if you're using your sponge again as I did, please make sure good to your sponge is damp and just blend your concealer so well so that it can stay in your skin. And bestie, we've come to an end of our video. Bestie, please make sure you comment down below. If you're new for a hearty bestie, that's welcome. And please make sure you follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna put my handle down below. And bestie, please make sure you subscribe. You press that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Jenny Tanda Nonge Bestie. Kulongileke. Bye.